Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're uncovering a small pest that can silently cause major damage in your home, the carpet beetle. Here are some interesting facts about carpet beetles you might not know. It's actually their larvae, not the adults, that cause most of the damage by chewing through clothes, rugs, and even furniture. They can survive for weeks without food. That's part of what makes them so persistent once they're in your home. And they're pros at hiding. You'll often find them tucked away in dark spots like vents, closets, and under furniture. To protect your home from carpet beetles, here are 5 easy DIY tips. Tip 1. Vacuum carpets, furniture, and corners regularly to remove eggs and larvae. Tip 2. Wash infested clothes or fabrics in hot water, then dry them on high heat. Tip 3. Use airtight plastic bins to store wool, silk, or cotton fabrics. Tip 4. Seal cracks and gaps around windows, doors, and baseboards to block their entry. Tip 5. Place sticky traps near windows to catch flying adult beetles. And after trying these tips, if you're still seeing signs of the damage, don't worry, let the experts take it from here. Contact ASM Pest Control for reliable and professional carpet beetle removal services. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pest control tips. Thanks for watching.